In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write vertical text in Google Sheets and change text direction easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want your text. Type your word or heading, then click the cell again to make sure it's selected. Now, look at the top toolbar and find the text rotation icon. Click on it to open the rotation options. From the drop-down, choose Rotate Up or Rotate Down to make your text vertical. You'll instantly see your text change direction inside the cell. If you want a different style, you can choose Stack vertically to place each letter on a new line. You can also use custom angles to tilt your text at any degree you like. This is useful for headers, saving space, or making your sheet look cleaner and more organized. You can apply this to multiple cells by selecting them before using the rotation option. And that's it. A quick way to control text direction and make your spreadsheet more visually appealing. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.